Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open eggs on the TFT or the Teamfight tactics. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open your PC that contains the Teamfight tactics. Then, of course, open the game. If you have it installed already, if you don't, you'll have to go and do that or install it through the right client. If you don't even have the right client, you'll have to install it through whatever browser you're using. In this case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any browser you're using. Once you open your browser, you can just go into the URL section and type just one of those. Type download right client, type download League of Legends, type download Teamfight Tactics or TFT, and all of those three will actually get you to download the right client, and from there you'll be able to download whatever you want from the right games, and of course including TFT. So once it downloaded, you will have to go and install it, then open it up through the search or even through your desktop. For me, it's already opened for me, and once you open it, you'll find yourself on home screen or main screen like this, and here you'll find the games that is already installed into your PC. If you have the Teamfight Tactics here, just go and open it up, but if you don't, you'll have to scroll down until you find these all games. Make sure to click on Teamfight Tactics, and here you'll be able to install it through your League of Legends in PC. You can actually install it through the App Store in your iPhone, or even you can install it through the Google Play in your Android. Once it's installed, you'll have to go and open it up. You can just go and click on Teamfight Tactics, or you can open it through the League of Legends, of course. And of course, then they will actually ask you to log in into your account. So if you have an account, to make sure to log in into it. If you don't, you'll have to go and open a browser again and make sure to type create a Riot Games account, and you will be able then to play the TFT. So let me just go and open the League of Legends here. Let's just click as play to show you how to open the eggs of TFT. Of course, the eggs of TFT includes into the League of Legends, so you'll have to open the League of Legends first. So as you can see, once the game is open, you'll have the CFC option right here. You'll be able to get into it, and here you will have to go into your loot. Of course, from here, if you have any eggs, you'll be able to open them up. If you don't, you'll have to go and buy some, or even win some from the TFT Battle Pass. As you can see here, we have some eggs. If you win them, you'll be able to open them. But let's say as an example, you don't have them and you want to buy. Let's just go and buy some TFT eggs as an example. So let's just check this eggs, and here let's just buy this egg as an example. Let's just buy it. Done. Go to our loot, and here you will normally find your egg. Click on it and click at open, and let's just wait for the egg until it opens. And as you can see, our egg is open now. So that's all actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.